My name's Elizabeth Pierce, and I'm the founder of SymSoil, a soil health company that produces products and services for the regenerative agriculture movement. We're part of the shared economy like Lyft or Airbnb. We are leveraging the talent to make a very specific type of compost across a number of organic farms in our region. We're paid in cash, but we're also paid in a portion of the compost that we create. And we take this back to a centralized hub, and we farm the 6 different types of microbes under the optimal condition for them to reproduce. It scales the material up, and then we blend it with low-value commodity compost to create a full-spectrum biofertilizer. The effect of this product is really quite dramatic on plants. This is a way of reseeding the thousands of species that exist within a healthy soil. This product can convert dead dirt into living soil. Today's customers are predominantly the cannabis growers. This is because, all else being equal, they know they can improve their profitability and change what the plant produces by changing the soil microbiome. But other customers are going to be anybody who gets a premium price for flavor or nutrient density. There is no comparable product on the market except other mother culture manufactured in the same way. Again, because the talent is scarce, it's very expensive and there's significant demand. In addition to the cannabis growers, we have demand coming from landscapers who use non-potable water that is salty and alkaline. Vineyards are very interested in this because they're of the high value of their product. I come out of finance, MBA, CFA. Catherine Hinson has a team with 35 years of experience composting underneath her, and Sam Grosso is a Marine combat vet and handling our operations. I'm very interested in talking to you more. Thank you.